No worries.
Military life demands structure. How did you create a consistent study routine, and how did you balance your habits to do that?
Definitely, thank you. So first off, military life definitely instills structure and discipline, I believe, and that's absolutely what helped me build a consistent study routine for the PMP. I approached it like I was preparing for a mission or testing for promotion, as we all know, I'm going through and gaining the next rank. So I set clear objectives and blocked off that focus time for studying, similar to training drills or rehearsals like we do inside the military, using PMP quizzes and flashcards, the same way we run reps and build muscle memory. That structure helped me keep track, especially with everything going on during my transition period, because that's really when I was focusing on the PMP, thinking about what am I going to do next after service. But one thing I had to unlearn, if I can recall correctly, was the idea that there's only one right way to approach a problem. In the Air Force, I feel like a lot of times we utilize, and across all branches, we use things that govern things, essentially Department of Defense instructions, or AFI instructions, which is your Air Force instructions. And although they're great to give you the sight picture of where we need to be going, it leaves little room for deviations a lot of times. And that's great for mission execution and compliance. But in the world of project management, real world, it's a whole different ball game. As we know, things tend to change often. So as I dove deeper inside the PMP prep, I started to realize that the projects, or in military terms, the missions, don't always call for one specific approach. Sometimes you need a fully predictive step-by-step plan. Other times you need that agile and flexibility, especially when it requirements of those changes like we talked about. And in many cases, that hybrid model, a mix between both, blending it. So that was a major mindset shift for me. I think getting comfortable with different ways of working, tailoring your approach based on the context, and being okay with changing solutions, and being adaptable. And I think that's what the military is trying to go to, being more adaptable now than just so rugged or rigid. So while, again, that military discipline helped me stick to a routine, I had to balance that with the new level of adaptability. And then honestly, that combination, here's my big key takeaway, if you take away nothing else, the combination of structure with flexibility is what really prepared me to lead projects effectively.